In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by opening Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. If you wish to disable it, tap on the same No Blue shortcut. You can also go into Devices Settings, select Display section, and scroll down just a bit to access this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen. This way you can turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!